Hey there everyone, this is Cheap Charlie. It's been a while since we last chatted. Just been real busy doing all these really expensive repairs. You know, I'm getting sick and tired of buying things, and seems like they just are built long enough to last to get out of the store. Yeah, just sick and tired of that. You buy stuff and it just lasts long enough to get out of the store. Maybe a couple days if you're lucky. So, you know, we're out of crazy glue. We just had a mad rush on crazy glue lately, fixing things. So yeah, I just using some silicone. That's really expensive, but it's the next best thing. But there you go, a little secret. So, the dryer start button. Something's wrong with the timer. So I got this little quick fix to share with you. So the timer every now and again on the dryer will act up. And right now you hear the timer ticking, but once it clicks and does its thing, it'll be good as new. So until it does that, I'll show you how you fix it. So you just gotta do it like so. Get a little bit of weight. Fantastic. There you go. Another one of those Cheap Charlie fixes. And after it dried the clothes, it's fixed itself. Put it to the setting you want, and it's ready to go. But there you go, a little secret. There you know, I cut the end on. So yeah, have a good evening. Talk to you again soon. Cheers.